Imagine earning $300 to $500 per day. Sounds thrilling, right? Well, we're about to delve into an innovative method that leverages Google Maps, a tool you probably use regularly but never thought of as a means to earn. This isn't just another gimmick, it's a legitimate, proven strategy for income generation. But to fully grasp the ins and outs, you'll need to stick with us until the end. Stay with us till the end to uncover this exciting method. Before we dive in, let's gather the tools you need for this venture. You'll be pleased to know that the requirements are minimal and something most of us already have. First and foremost, you're going to need a stable internet connection. Whether that's through Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's crucial to ensure that you can navigate Google Maps without interruption. Next up, you'll need a device to access Google Maps. This could be a laptop, a tablet, or even your smartphone. Whatever device you choose, make sure it's one you're comfortable using for extended periods. Then comes your Google account. If you don't have one already, don't worry, it's free and easy to set up. This will be your gateway to Google Maps and the lucrative opportunities it holds. Last, but certainly not least, bring along your willingness to learn and put in effort. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but with patience and perseverance, the rewards can be substantial. Once you have these in place, you're all set to start earning. Google Maps isn't just for finding your way around, it's a goldmine for entrepreneurs. You might be wondering, how so? Well, let's dive right in. Businesses, big and small, rely heavily on Google Maps to establish their online presence. It's their digital storefront, if you will. A well-maintained Google Maps listing can significantly boost customer interaction and ultimately sales for businesses. Now imagine a local coffee shop or a boutique store that isn't quite hitting the mark with their Google Maps listing. Maybe their address isn't accurate, or their opening hours are outdated, or perhaps they've got no customer reviews or photos to entice potential patrons. This is where you can step in. By offering your services to help businesses optimize their Google Maps listings, you're providing them with a valuable resource. And guess what? Businesses are willing to pay for this service, and that's where you come in. Now let's get into the heart of the matter. It's time to understand the step-by-step process that will enable you to earn between $300 to $500 per day using Google Maps. Step 1. Open Google Maps and start exploring. Look for local businesses in your area or any area you're familiar with. Pay attention to businesses with poor or incomplete listings. Step 2. Take notes. Record the details of these businesses, especially ones with limited photos, incomplete descriptions, or lack of reviews. These are your potential clients. Step 3. Create a plan. Think about how you could improve these listings. Maybe they need better photos, or perhaps their descriptions could be more engaging. Do they have a website listed? If not, that's another area of improvement. Step 4. Reach out. Contact these businesses with your suggestions. Offer your services to improve their Google Maps listing. Make sure to highlight the benefits: more visibility, more customers, and ultimately more revenue. Step 5. Negotiate your fee. Your skills and time are valuable, so don't undersell yourself. A fair price for this service could range between $50 to $100 per business, depending on the work required. And lastly, step 6. Get to work. Once you've agreed on a price and the scope of work, it's time to deliver. Remember, your client's success is your success. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to make money with Google Maps. So, to wrap things up, we've taken you through a revolutionary method that's emerged in 2024, enabling you to earn between $300 to $500 per day using Google Maps. This method stands out with its simplicity and potential for high earnings. It's not just about the money, it's about the freedom and the flexibility it offers. You can work from the comfort of your home, or from a beach in Bali or a cafe in Paris. The world is your office. This method is a game changer, a golden ticket to financial freedom and a lifestyle of your choice. Now it's your turn to make the most of it. If you found this video helpful, show us some love. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you never miss out on our future videos. Don't forget to comment on what you would like us to focus on next. Happy earning, and see you in the next video.